Hello guys, so today I have a today I have something really nice to tell you. So today at the start of the week, I myself awarded to Maisie Jenkins Focus for having a positive attitude in her learning and is a lovely member to our class. Signed, my teacher, Mrs. Davis, and the date, 17th of the 5th of the 19th. And my friend Imogen's here. As you know, she's a YouTuber. And but she's not going to be in this video. I'm so sorry about that. No. Peace. Yeah, she comes in peace. So let me tell you the story of how I had the start of the week. On Monday, it was a regular day, and then I saw bird poop on my window. My mum said, "Oh, that's good luck." So all week I thought that bird poop is going to be my bird poop of luck. And then I was like, I think I'm going to start the week just because of one bird poop. And guess what? I'd start the week because of one bird poop. So I was and I was like, she's saying well, acts like because I have a positive attitude and I am a lovely member to Imogen's class, aren't I? Aren't I member? Good member? Okay, she's saying yes.
No, I'm not.
No,
what about Ava, Olivia, and me?
Don't ruin my video now. I started the week and I'm so happy with it. And it's my bird poop of luck. And the other day I had these two for being start of the day. I just like doing that. And I literally can't believe I have started the week. I've been hoping it for a long time. And here it is. Okay, can you hold this up? And this is me holding it. It's nice, isn't it? Yeah, very nice. You have it.
Just don't go a bit cuckoo if she's just bragging about herself, because she's pretty young.
Yeah, I have to break it to you guys, but I have been bragging a lot. I'm just really proud. So I'll see you in my next video, which is actually going to be posted soon because me and Imogen are doing something. So
can you at least show me? Can you at least do that?
Well,
at least show me, at least do that.
Show you.
Hi.
I showed you this well. I showed you earlier. Bye. Say bye to the start of the week.
Bye.
No. Bye. Read that.